Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your digital first AI on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your digital first AI on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address digital first.ai and hit on enter. After that, you'll be directed to the home page of Digital First AI over here, and let's wait for it to load. And over here, guys, on the home page of Digital First AI, at the top right corner of the screen, we can see the login button available for us. In order to log in, let's click on that button. But guys, if you have not yet registered for your account, you can simply click on the try free button to go to the registration page and create an account for free for some time. With that being said, let's click on login. And over here, guys, in order to sign into your Digital First AI account, you'll be required to enter your email address with which you had created an account on Digital AI. And after entering your email address, simply click on the password section and enter your password. But guys, if you forgot on your password, you can always retrieve or reset it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on this button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your digital first AI account's password using your email. And with that being said, guys, you can also log in directly to the digital first AI with your Google or your Facebook or your Apple accounts. You can see three of those. If you click on any particular of these options, or log into your Google account will open. And if you log into your current account from this login page or any login page opened from the Facebook, Apple, or the Google button, you'll be signed into your digital first AI with these platforms. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your digital first AI account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.